everyone, I am Servicer about WTP, and today I'm going to show you how to use a proper pop riveter. I have this piece of metal and I have to make a riveted metal drawer. In this case, we need to use a rivet whose sizes are equal to the drilled hole. I have this 1/8 of an inch which we can use to make a riveted metal drawer. The first thing is to insert your rivet into the hole and insert also your pop riveter. The exact diameter of the hole and rivet must be equal. Squeeze it all over again until the pen of the rivets breaks. All you need to do is to repeat the process until your work is done. So as you can see, I already put the rivet into the holes.
Jungle.
So alright guys, I already have my riveted metal drawer. As you can see, I already put the rivets into the hole perfectly. So that's it. And so once again, I am Salvador Abao, visit me to Dashby, and have a nice day.